Today I will show you how to make copper tools in Minecraft. So what you need first is a pickaxe, and you have to use the stone pickaxe. You cannot use a wooden pickaxe like I just showed you, because it will not get the copper. When using a stone pickaxe, you get a raw copper. So after you get the raw copper, you have to get a furnace. So I will just go into creative so we can speed it up. We get a furnace, and we need coal as well. So we put out this here, and we will wait for this to smelt. When we do that, we can go to make a crafting bench also, and we need some sticks. So after this has smelted, we will go into the crafting table, and in the crafting table we will first off make a pickaxe. And how we make a pickaxe is we place 2 sticks like this and 1, 2, 3 above like this. And I will show you how fast this mines. It's okay. It's almost like the stone and the wood pickaxe. And now we do the sword. Like this. This does not do so much damage, but I think it looks pretty cool. It looks cool at least. So we have copper sword, copper pickaxe, and for the axe you do 1, 2, 3 like this. You can do it on either side, it doesn't matter. And for the shovel we have to do 1, 2, and 1 on top here. And this spear like this, and the hoe like this. So this is how we do the copper tools. You can also do the armor. Like this. And this is not like the best armor you could get. It works in the very early beginning when you just found copper, but I think you should get iron as soon as possible. But this works fine. It works very fine. And especially it looks cool, I think. The sword looks really cool. I like this. Like copper color, this pink. I think it looks good. So this is how you make the tools. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.